So 150 years, and the company evolved. Edwin Harrington, of course, our namesake, started the company in Philadelphia, and he was a machinist. And if you look back at the old records, he developed all different sorts of milling machines, a little bit of anything and everything. And of course, the Industrial Revolution was taking part at that point in time, and Philadelphia really being at the heart of the Industrial Revolution. The company evolved really into more of a hoist specialist over time. He's credited with some patents on hoist, 1896 putting electricity to the first hoist, and the family continued to operate the business through basically through the 1960s. At that point, they started to manufacture less and less and started a relationship with Kito Corporation out of Japan, who was looking for a way into the U.S. That partnership really flourished throughout the 70s and 80s, and basically at that point in time, the owner of the business moved us to Manheim, Pennsylvania, in the heart of Lancaster County, put us here with some of his other businesses that he owned in the area, and the original building in Manheim still exists today. It's actually just one end of the building, a couple thousand square feet, and now we sit with 4 locations across the country. We have multiple manufacturing centers. It's just amazing to go from a couple thousand square feet in Manheim to Manheim, Elizabethtown, Chicago, Corona, California, and to see the breadth and the width of our products. It's just amazing. In 150 years, words can't express how special that is.
So here in the Americas, we handle the Kito sales and operations for all of the Americas group. We have about 650 employees currently, and our goal in the new structure is to spread the Kito spirit around the Americas. We want to build a one unified power. That means having one unified marketing force, having a unified sales direction, moving a unified operational plan, having a unified financial plan. The goal is to drive consistency through the company at this one unified force, all focused on 3 main principles that was set in the Kito midterm plan, which is 1, enhance the customer experience, 2, invest in our people, and 3, create an efficient organization. Our goal is to leverage our huge combined resources to enhance our customer focus to a new level. We want to utilize the power of our people and creative ideas and the power of our brands to bring a new aggressive sales mentality to all of the Americas. We are one unified power, and that's the direction that we are going. To kick things off, we created a new unified logo. So what I mean by that is we've taken the Kito Group company, embedded it into both the Harrington and the Peerless logos, and changed the colors to the Kito corporate colors. So we're starting to unify, starting with the logos, rolling that out across the Americas.
What we recognize is as the world evolves and the Internet of Things becomes more and more prevalent, we need to keep up with that. And we need to give our technologically advanced folks a different way of going to business. So we're trying to service those markets with our JDE global implementation. Harrington has just gone live. And along with that, we're trying to give customers the opportunity to order things online and create a customer experience. With the global approach from Kito, we're trying to create that global form, fit, and feel, but still keep that regional product offering and the support that our customers have come to know and love.
At Harrington, we firmly believe in growing from within, promoting from within, growing talent, retaining talent, and challenging everyone to continue to grow. If you look at a lot of different employees here, they've done a lot of different things. They've filled a lot of different roles, and they've got a lot of tenure here. For me personally, I had a manager that asked if I would be willing to take the product knowledge I learned in the production side of things and apply it to our customer service department. So I moved, actually before I got to outside sales, I moved into customer service and started talking to customers, started picking up the phone and doing quotes and taking orders and using my product knowledge that I had learned in the production side of things to try and help our customers on the customer service side of things. I feel very blessed to be part of this team, and we're one big family here at Harrington. I truly believe that, so you know, I look forward to hopefully many more years of success, not just internally but externally with our customers.
I began my career here in 1995, which was quite a long time ago. So I've been through quite a lot of change. Some of the things that come to mind are just the growth. The growth in sales. I mean, we're about 15 times bigger than we were then. Big changes. My staff back then was 6, and now we're more than 30. So it's been exciting. So when I started, there basically was no documentation control, which is kind of critical to a manufacturing and distributor company. So we had 0 control documents. And today we have a documentation control system, and we've exceeded 1,100 documents in that system now. So that's a lot of growth, creating a lot of documents. That's not even considering the drawings. So pretty proud of that.
My journey started in 1996. Harrington took a chance on a young kid right out of college, and my initial position was end user specialist, and my primary responsibility was driving the Harrington demo van across the country, where I visited, worked with different salespeople, and it was a great experience visiting with different people and seeing different hoist applications. And looking back on it now is the best training you could have. With the first expansion of Kito, I was still the sales rep in the Midwest, covering the Cincinnati territory, but I was chosen to go down to Mexico to investigate possibly having Harrington take over that market. So I traveled there several times with our counterparts from Japan to see if it was possible for Harrington to service that market. And we found out it's extremely similar to the U.S., same competitors, very knowledgeable people down there. So I was tasked with taking that over for Harrington, which eventually became part of Kito Americas. So we hired a salesman that's based in Mexico, and we literally started from $0. Now we're well up over $4 million in sales just in Mexico alone.
What I like about Harrington is the dynamic environment here. It's very fast-paced. We operate under some pretty short deadlines, and the team, not just in operations in my group, but also throughout the company. There's a lot of skill here. There's a lot of heart that goes into this business, and I think I find that to be part of that to be most rewarding. So service level to the customer is our primary focus. Everything we do at Harrington is centered around that. Orders coming down through customer service, getting through engineering, and then out to operations where we actually process the customer order. Supply chain management is key. Our materials group actively works to improve lead times from our vendors, which actually enables us to get the orders out to our customers faster.
So today, Kito is made up of about 2,800 employees worldwide, serving our customers in every major market around the world. We manufacture on 4 continents now, and our objective in the coming years is to continue to innovate and provide a high quality and innovative product portfolio to our customers, whatever their lifting needs might be. And in addition, we also want to make sure that we continue our legacy of providing the safest products. If you look back, even 6 years ago, Kito was about half the size we are today. We were about 1,400 or 1,500 employees. And that growth in that period of time has come through serving our customers and providing these high quality lifting products. And our vision for the future is not so much about growth, but is continuing to serve our customers in such a way that we become or remain their first choice for overhead lifting products, wherever they might need us.
As you can see, our companies possess many years of experience and share an innovative, high-quality, growth-focused mentality that embodies the Kito spirit. This is the one unified power direction that we're talking about. A revolution is coming for the Americas. Led by the Join the Revolution and the Kito spirit, we are ready for the next 100 years. Welcome to Kito Americas.